Hello friends, welcome to AllTricks. Today we have this parcel and I'll be unboxing this. Let's quickly cut off the plastic out the content from the plastic. Here you can see it's a cardboard and let's open it. And wow, we have IQOO box and a headphone from IQOO as well. So today we are going to unbox this box, which is definitely IQOO Neo 7. You can see the branding, and here is the box. So still it's covered with the plastic. We will unbox this headphone some other day and share you the feedback. So let's start unboxing IQOO Neo 7. Here we go. So I'll grab my knife and try to cut out the plastic to take out the box. Okay, so I was initially facing some issue with taking out it, but yeah, it's out now, and you can see a beautiful box with matte finish, diagonal lines and branding IQOO, and at the top left corner you can see 7 Neo. So it's Neo 7. Okay, so let's open the box. Oh, we have some strips to cut, some side tapes to cut. Here we go. First one and the second one. Now I will open this box. Here we have our phone, handset and some other things. So let's go one by one. Let's keep the handset aside and start with the other things. First of all, we will start with this thing. It's a type C to 3.5 mm jack. This phone doesn't have a 3.5 mm jack, so they have given it. That's a good thing, and it's a nice small piece of jack. And the wire quality is not that great, but yeah, this works. Now we have this cable, which is charging cable. Even data transfer can be done using that type C to you can see it's a very good quality cable. Now we have this user guides, which we never did, and I'll keep it aside. Then we have this silicone case, which I'll be putting on my phone after some time. Here is the highlight of this phone, that is 120-watt charger. This charging base is heavy, and you can see the wattage here on the screen. Now here you can see the simulator tool, which we get with every phone. Now I am going to remove the plastic cover of the phone. I face some difficulties while peeling off the plastic. It's actually powerful glue is there. So here you can see the phone is out from the plastic. Okay, plastic don't want to come out, but let's remove it anyways. Here's the phone. We can see this is a glossy phone. It's a little heavy. So this is how the phone looks so far. We'll come with review and other details of this phone in a couple of days. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, share with friends and family. Stay tuned for the next videos. We keep uploading similar videos. Thank you.